Hello friends, welcome to Tiondi. Today on behalf of Tiondi, I will help you understand how to add a delivery zone. For the same, you need to click on location, drop down the menu and click on delivery zone. Here you see the green icon that says add delivery zone. Please click on it. Here you need to fill up the form for adding a delivery zone compulsory. First is the delivery zone name. You can type Ahmedabad Central. The second is the admin name. Later is the contact number. And then the email ID. Now next is adding a city. A delivery zone is added in the state and in the city. And one city has multiple delivery zones. So you need to make sure that you are adding your vendor in what delivery zone. And accordingly the users will be able to order from the particular vendor. Click on add delivery zone. This is how you add a delivery zone, and later that delivery zone will be reflected in the list of the delivery zones on the main page. Now we need to draw an area for which the vendor will be delivering in the particular zone. For that we need to add an area for which we need to click on view. And now we will add an area. Adding an area is very important because as per your area, the customer will be able to order from the vendor. The customer outside that particular area will not be able to order anything from the vendor for which you have created a delivery zone. So let's name the name of the area. Location. Okay. Now you need to zoom in. Okay. Now we will draw the area. Here you see the hand symbol, that is for the stop drawing. Just beside it is the pencil with which we are going to draw the area. Click on it. This is how you draw an area, and later on you need to click on add area. Once you do it, your area will be added for the particular vendor in the particular zone. As you see, you are having 14 vendors for the particular area. To view these 14 vendors, you need to click over here on the list. Let me scroll it for you. These are the vendors that are serving in the particular Ahmedabad Central, East and West area for which you have created an area. Now the users of this area will be easily able to order from any of these vendors online using the application. Last but not the least, if you create a wide area, you will be able to serve more with more and more vendors on the board. And if you create a small area or a short area, then your vendor list will be minimized. That's it. Thank you.